for a total days on market of 99 days. The average home was built in 2006 and the median home size is 1920 square feet. The close to original list price is right at 93.7%. If we truncate that a little and just focus in on Dallas, we're fairly close to the overall state of Texas with a slight shift. The median price for a home is up right at 16.7%. So you're running that right now at $385,000. Month's inventory is 2.7%. Days on market is right at 51 days. Days to close is right at 29. So we've got some investors that's kind of bringing those days to close down just a tad. And your total days on market is right at 80 days. The median home size is right at 1687 square feet. And that home was built on a median average of 1975. If you look at your original list to close, it's about 94.4%. So the key here, price it right, and it will typically fly off the land as soon as you get it listed. We'll talk about more of that in another video, but for now, let's move on to Cedar Hill. When we look at Cedar Hill, what we'll notice about Cedar Hill is that you're dealing with a median price of $337,500, which is up a whopping 22.7%. The month's inventory is right at 2 months. Days on market is 54 days, taking approximately 31 days to close, with a total days of 85 days. The median home size of these homes is 2110 in square footage, and that home was average built in 2001. Farmers Branch, a really hot market as of right now. Your homes will stand on the inventory of about 1.4 days. The median price for that home is $387,500, and that is actually down right at 8.7%. So we've got some movement there in Farmers Branch. Days on market is right at 28 days. Days to close is right at 29 days for a total days of 57 days. This goes back to what I was talking about. When you price it right, it won't stay on the market long. Cedar Hill, it's on the market for right at 54 days. We're in Farmers Branch in 57 days. They've signed the contract and they've closed. They're pricing right in Farmers Branch right now. Days on market is one thing, but then you look at when these were built. So they were built in, on average, 1962, and the median home size is 1815 square footage. Farmers Branch is dealing with some traffic issues. So this is what I've been told, and this is what some of the research has shown. With those 2-lane roads, a lot of people are a little bit frustrated on being in that market right now because it's so hard to get in and out with everyone that's living there. But the median price is $314,245. Month's inventory is 3.9. Days on market is 68 days. Days to close is 34 days for a total of 102 days. If you look at the average median home for this area, you're dealing with 1982 square foot. The median year built is 2023, so you've got fairly new homes in this area. And the close to original list is 91.5%. In McKinney, which is another hot area, you're dealing, and I think a lot of that was driven about some of those larger corporations that came out a few years ago. But you've got the median price of $494,500. That is up 6.9%. Your month inventory is 1.9%. Days on the market is 47 days. Days to close is right at 32 days. And total days is running right about 79 days. The other thing that you can look at that's happening in McKinney, we've just got a lot of place to build out there. You're dealing with a lot of area that was not developed. And now we've been going out because we're spreading outwards just because of our growth. And then the other thing you want to keep in mind, the median home size in this area is 2360 64 square feet, and the median year built is 2006. In Flower Mound, which is a really hot area, the home prices in this area have jumped up 27.8 year over year. The median price is $709,000. Monthly inventory is 1.7. It's taking approximately 39 days on market. From there, you've got 31 days to close for a total of 70 days. The median home build in this area is 31,000 square feet, and the average build was 1996. And they're closing pretty close to listing at 97.2% of the price that they initially started out at. And I want to go ahead and I want to shift a little bit and look into Fort Worth. In Fort Worth, the home market overall is down 1.8% year over year from the median price of $315,000. The month's inventory is 2.4%. Days on market is 58 days. Days to close is 32 days for a total of 90 days. You're dealing with a median home size of 1820, and your median year built is 2004. Your close to original list price is 94.8% of what it's taking to close in that area. In Arlington, your median home price is $341,450, which is up 10.2% year over year, with a monthly inventory of 2.1. You've got days on market of 45 days, days to close of 33 days, and total days of 78 days. Your home evaluation stats are showing 19.18 square foot for the medium home size. The average home was built in 1986 and close to original list price is running at about 95.4%. And our final one up for this market update is going to be Bedford. It is a median price of $343,250. That is actually down 4.7% year over year. Your monthly inventory is hot. It is 1.2%, which is actually up 0.1% year over year. Days on market is lasting about 31 days. Days to close is about 27 days. So you're going to have some investors in here, I can promise you. Total days is 58 days. And if you look at it, your medium home size is 1740 square foot, and your average home was built in 1978. With that being said, your close to original list price is 94.6%. And so I'm going to take just a moment to explain some of the things that I've gone over with. And if you have questions, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, leave a message, and I'll be happy to give you some details. If you didn't see yours here, give me a call and I can give you a specialized market update for the area you're looking for. Whether you're listing, selling, leasing, or you're an investor, I can help. So without further ado, let's go real quickly on days on market. Days on market refers to the day that listing went into the multiple listing service. Then you've got the days to close. That's from the time you had an agreed contract to the time we went to the closing table and we had closing and funding. The median home size, that's your livable square footage, not necessarily the lot. And your close/original list, that is the difference in what that home sold for at closing based on what it was listed at.